What's up, everybody? Welcome to G from BC. Gary here today with another video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed Thursday's adventure video. I had fun editing it. Honestly, that trip was really awesome as well too, because that's the first time I've ever been there. This video is actually a continuation of that same trip. I'm actually planning to do a new series where I'm planning to do a new series where I actually... What? I'm planning to do a new... What the f***? I'm planning to do a new series where I take you on a ride along home. That's basically the title of the series. I take you guys with me as I drive home from the trip on a lot of my longer days, and just give you guys a raw and uncut version of it where there's not a lot of editing and it's just mainly me driving, and you guys get to hear the drive home. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would like me to make more of these types of videos. I'm planning to make it as a series, as I mentioned, and yeah, let's get on to the video.
Yeah, for sure. Do you want me to just film it through my phone and just send it over to you?
Yeah, that works.
Or, hey, I'm actually filming on my GoPro right now, so I can probably just send you that GoPro shot of this one.
Yeah, whatever works.
Alright, sounds good.
Video of it as well, you know?
Yeah, sounds good. Up a bit more, Steve, and you gotta bump it. You're getting hung up on something. What is it?
It's because my front tire is stuck on one and my back tire is stuck on one.
Ah, copy. Try to go passenger, maybe. mint. Yeah, I just had to give her.
Yeah, well, so you see the hole I dug.
Yeah. It's all good. I just have my dash cam on, my GoPro. We're just gonna, it's fine. I'm just using it as extra filming.